Good morning, guys. What's up? This video is gonna be a little different. What do you think this is right here? Yep, that is correct. A John Deere lawnmower here, glinting in the sunlight, needing some use. And I'm gonna walk up toward it here. Just a little walk down the property here. It's gonna take us a bit because we have a huge property. And the birds are out and the garage is open and Oma's being Oma. And she asked if I was gonna go on the lawnmower today. I said sure. So here we are, walking to the lawnmower. It is hot out here. Oh, we had varmint poop this morning in our yard. Not in our yard, in our garage. I know that sounds really like a stupid story, but oh no, it was all real. We are walking just a little bit further now to this shelter thing. This is the front door. There's 7. And we are, yep, I see the lawnmower here. Just a little walk to the lawnmower. And there it is, glinting on the pavement. It's a sleek white lawnmower here. Yep, this thing is a sleek white lawnmower. And she is hot. And what I mean by that is the sun is relentless on this thing. Let's see. How's she working here today? Oh. Alright. Let's see. We got the blades turned off. Good. Okay. I'm about to cut the grass, so let's start her up. Turn the wheels so that it doesn't go anywhere. Check its yeah. But let's see. We'll get on this thing. Very quiet lawnmower. I think it's largely because it's warm outside. Alright, let's start cutting some grass. Just running the blades on a test here. All this grass. Jeez. here, guys. Put around the car. Shut these blades off and go over there. Looks like some grass. Let me see. Yeah, there's definitely some grass over there, guys. Let's go. Really long grass. Jesus. Well, tell you what. I'm gonna park this thing and get off. Turn the wheels so we don't go anywhere. And I'm gonna end up looking for a detour. Let me get down in the grass here and measure it. It's long right there is where it needs to be cut. This is St. Augustine. Right here. Yeah, we have St. Augustine in our yard. And we're right down there to the soil. So, yeah. There is quite a bit of grass here, guys. This lawnmower is going to have a heyday. So, yeah, let's go.